Are you watching mommy work? Yeah? Okay, you keep playing. Yeah, you keep playing. Hey, what's up y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today's Quick Tip Monday and I've got a quick tip for you. So, for those of you who suffer from knots because your hair is either wavy or curly, like, let me show you, because I have plenty of them. Especially if you suffer from knots, like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but like knots that like rub up against your clothes and then it's just hard to take them out because your hair is wavy. You don't want to put a brush through it because it's painful if you do. Anyways, my quick tip is this. Before you step in the shower, put conditioner in your hair where the knot is. Now load it up. Don't get liberal with it. Don't be scared. And put it in your hair. Let it soak in for no less than 5 minutes. And when you get in the shower, shampoo and condition your hair like normal, and you will see that your hair unknots so easily in the shower, and it's wonderful. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an I-E. Or you can catch my last video, which is right here, or you can click on my face right here to subscribe to my channel. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!